Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the capture gallery on your Ps5, press the PS button, then navigate to the media section and choose Capture Gallery. Once done, make sure you're signed into the profile that recorded the clips, because captures are profile-specific. If you saved to an external USB drive, connect it now and wait for the console to mount the device. You're now ready to view recorded content. Keep the controller handy for quick navigation and selection. Next, narrow the list using filters and sorting options. Select game to see captures tied to a specific title, or choose date when you roughly recall when it happened. Once filtered, sort by newest or oldest to jump straight to the right period. Make sure to press options on a highlighted clip to reveal file details, resolution, length, and file size, because that helps confirm you picked the correct recording. If you still see too many items, repeat filtering until finally choose what to do with the clip. Select it and pick share to post to social networks or copy to USB device to export it. Once done, use trim inside the gallery to shorten the clip before exporting. Make sure to save a duplicate if you want an original preserved. If a clip is missing, rebuild your database from safe mode or verify storage settings. Sometimes corrupted indices hide files, so check external drives and account sign-in to resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.